Hello, welcome to OBSMT. Today we make an introduction for the NG OK PCB magazine unloader. Now the empty magazine move and go down to the right position, waiting to receive the PCB from the front machine. It is the last station of the SMT line. Generally, it is put after the AOI machine. After the AOI inspection, it will give a signal to this unloader by SMIMA communication. Through the front conveyor, we meet the NG PCB signal. The shuttle will move this NG PCB from the front side to back side and push it into the NG magazine. This machine is applied to the Panasonic PLC and 7-inch touchscreen, English and Chinese type, so it's very easy to use for foreign clients. Now we see the push action, as using the SMC system pusher to push the PCB into the magazine right position. It's very stable and without any shake. The precision is very high. The conveyor belt is using the 4mm ESD type, which can hold a smaller 2 kg PCBA. Each magazine capacity is 50 pieces. After full, the magazine will go down and go out. Then you can take out the full magazine to handle the next step. We can also customize it. Now you see it's the customized NG OK PCB magazine unloader. It can hold several sizes of PCB magazines on one machine, from small size, medium size, and larger size. We can also do many other kinds of SMT handling conveyors. If you have any questions and inquiries, welcome to contact us. Thanks for your watching.